I use executive transportation services to get me to and from the airport. I want to make sure that I get to the airport on time and back home on time, and I don't particularly like to leave my car at the airport, so using his services works out very well. What I like about executive transportation is their customer service, their reliability, and availability to use them outside of normal business hours. I've been using executive transport for many years, and I had a flight one time that was canceled, and they had rerouted me to Cincinnati, and I was literally jumping on the airplane and calling executive transportation saying they've rerouted me, and it was the last flight in. I think I was going to land at midnight, and executive transportation made the adjustment to come all the way out to Cincinnati to get me, and it was very appreciated. My experience with executive transportation today, I would never leave them. I think probably what I like best about executive transportation is familiarity. I can rely on them. I know who's coming to pick me up, and it's always nice to catch up with the person driving. When it comes to ground transportation, I would say promptness would be the number one thing that I look for, because I don't leave myself a whole lot of room on either end getting to or from the airport, and I like being able to be picked up right when I'm supposed to be picked up at the airport so I can get home. I would definitely recommend executive transport to a friend, and I have.